till 29th of August 2015. The inaugural function will be at Ravindra Bhavan, Madgaon. It will start at 10:30 AM. Honorable Minister for Transport will be the chief guest. Minister of Fisheries, Labour and Employment, Mr. Avartuna Furtado will be the guest of honor, and also we'll have Mr. Digambar Kamath, MLA Madgaon, Mr. Vishnu Surya Wagh, MLA Santanre, and Chairperson of Margao Municipal Council, Arthur De Silva, as also guest of honors. As far as the inauguration program is concerned, there are certain additional items like number 1, release of a film produced on use of helmet by name The Helmet, produced by 99% Motion Pictures, will be released on that day.
99% motion pictures.
99% Motion Pictures. It's their social commitment that will be released. Secondly, Goa Can will be releasing certain banners as far as road safety is concerned. I am also happy to announce that at our check post we are erecting 4 hoardings regarding road safety for the information of tourists who are visiting. The hoardings will contain certain offences and the provisions of fines for that, like drunken driving, okay, driving without seat belt and all those things, and the fees will be prescribed on that.